The roads are a complex environment where people and vehicles move in multiple ways that can sometimes be unpredictable. That's why Hyundai's forward collision avoidance system is on the alert. If it determines that a collision with a vehicle is imminent, it warns you with a warning message, an audible warning, and may even apply the brakes. The forward collision avoidance system, or the FCA, uses a camera mounted on the windshield to detect vehicles on the road ahead. It also uses a pedestrian detection system, which is a radar sensor in the lower grille, which looks for pedestrians on the road ahead as well. If it determines that a collision with a vehicle is imminent, it sounds an alarm and flashes a visual alert, and may also use the brakes to slow down the car or come to a standstill. The FCA works to detect obstacles while driving in traffic at junctions, as well as direct oncoming traffic. But remember, FCA only works once it is activated. To activate the FCA feature, turn the ignition on and press the cluster display control key on the steering wheel multiple times until you reach driver assistance screen in cluster display. Now, long press the OK key to redirect the driver assistance settings in infotainment system. Or, alternatively, in the infotainment system, select Settings, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driver Safety to activate or deactivate the FCA function. If you activate the FCA function, adjust the initial warning activation time for FCA Assist from FWD Safety Warning Timing. The warning time can be set to either normal or late. Changes to warning timing can affect the other safety systems, so always remember to check your settings if you've made the changes. If you turn the FCA function off, a symbol will light up on the instrument cluster to tell you. Like all electronic devices, the FCA works best in certain conditions. So remember, the FCA will work only when electronic stability control is on, the sensors are not obstructed or damaged, the field of view is not obstructed. The FCA can be a great help, but it has its limits. It does not eliminate the need for careful attention on part of the driver. It may not fully function when driving on curves, slopes, during lane changes, or in certain weather conditions. Or perhaps FCA Assist option is turned off. The driver applies the brake to avoid collision. FCA may warn late or may not warn the driver based on road and driving conditions. For a complete list of limitations, please consult your owner's manual or check with your Hyundai service representative. Remember, you're the one driving your vehicle. Hyundai FCA can help, but safe driving is your responsibility. So, always do your best to be alert on the road. Happy driving!
Thank you.